Cass from Willful Studio, and today I'm showing you how you can change the background image or video on your Squarespace website. So we're going to start by going into edit mode on the page that you want to edit. And then when you're at the section that you want to change the background, hover over it, and then at the top right, click on Edit Section. From here, click on the Background tab, and then this is where your image will be. So this is one that I've already set. So if I want to replace this one, I can just click on Replace. And you can either upload a file from your computer, select from your library, or browse stock images. So I'm going to select from my library, and I'm going to choose this one here. Now, once that's loaded, now you'll see this is a different color background to what I had previously. So the first one I had was quite a dark background, and this one is quite light. So the image, the text that I'm using doesn't quite look right. So there are settings that you can change without having to go in and individually update the text in each section that you change the background image on. So you can go into colors, and here you can choose the theme for your section. You're probably already familiar with this from other parts of your website. You might not have thought to check here if you have a background image, but if you change the theme in here, it will automatically change all of the text colors and colors of everything else to what's set in that theme. So as you can see down here, this is currently set to darkest one, where I've got white text. So if I wanted to make this one of the themes with my black text, all I need to do is click on one of those ones here and see what it looks like. And if you've got different backgrounds set, you'll notice when you click onto each that there's a really faint color overlay. So you can see this one's got a bit of a blue tinge to it. This one's got a bit of a purple. This one will have green. So what that is, if you go into background here and scroll down, this is the overlay for the section theme. You can change the section theme color overlay in the site styles up at the top right here, but for now I just want to show you how to change the strength of this. So you can take it all the way down to 0, and if you do that, the image or video will be exactly as it's been uploaded. There'll be no color overlay. You can also change it all the way up to 90%. So this is an option if you'd like to have text as the main element on the page, but you just want to have something really subtle behind it. So sitting at about 80% for this one could work for a design that you're looking at. So for this one, I'm going to take it all the way down to 0. And now another thing that you can change with your image or video is the background width. So a little bit below this image here, you'll see full bleed and inset. So full bleed means it covers the side to side, top to bottom of the section that you set the background to. If you click on inset, you'll see it gives that nice even border around it. So that's a nice option just for something different on your site. I'll change this one back to full bleed. And now if of course you wanted to add a video instead of an image, just click on video at the top of this tab here, and then you can add a video here. So I don't have any videos uploaded, so I'm going to go, actually if I select from library, no I won't. I don't have any videos uploaded, but if you do, you can select from your library, or you can upload a new file here. Or if you have something on on YouTube or Vimeo, you can paste the link in here and then it will pull it through. And you also have the same options here. You can choose from full bleed and inset, and you can change the speed down here. There are other options that you can play with as well, such as filter. So that changes what the video kind of looks like. And as well, if you hop back into the image, you'll see there's this image effect here. So if you did want to change an image effect, you can kind of hover over it and see what it does. And you can of course click it to see what it looks like on your site. So I'm going to keep mine without any image effects. So I'll click on none, click outside of that, and then save.